Hello, good afternoon. This is Mr. Ayazuddinkhan from Pune, Maharashtra State, India. This is my fourth video on income tax dispute on salary income. So please note down the appeal details. Appeal number is 993 and year is 2005. Then decision date is 21st January 2009. Then ITR details are like this. Year 2009, volume number 313 and page number 1. I will repeat all these things again. Appeal number and year. Appeal number 993, year 2005. Then decision date 21st January 2009. Then ITR details are like this. Year 2009, volume 313 and page number 1. These are the appeal details. Now, as far as this appeal is concerned, the facts are like this. One company has furnished the income tax return for its employees and claimed exemption for the amount received by its employees towards what you call this LTC and conveyance allowance. It has said this is what you call exempted from income tax, or no tax is payable on these allowances under section 10 into bracket 5 of Income Tax Act 1961. Whereas the department says this exemption is okay, but to get this exemption, the employer has to collect the evidence or proof to the effect that employee, whatever money he has received for LTC or conveyance allowance has been spent, he has spent for that purpose. Then only exemption is okay. Otherwise, it is taxable. These are the facts. And dispute is like this. Employer, company says this we are not required to collect the proof because the amount is exempt under Income Tax Act section 10 into bracket 5. Department says this exemption, company can claim this exemption only when it collects evidence or proof from the employees to show that they have whatever money they have received, this is spent. They have spent for LTC or conveyance purpose. And this is the whatever facts of the case and dispute. Just now we have discussed. And what is the question of law? Whether question of law is like this: whether employer is under any obligation to collect the proof for the amount it has paid to its employees for LTC, towards LTC and conveyance allowance. This is whether what you call question of law is like this: whether employee is under any obligation to collect evidence from the employees to show that they have whatever amount they have received from the company towards LTC and conveyance allowance have actually they have spent for that purpose. For this proof is required. Whereas this income tax, this is the question of law before Supreme Court, whether employer is under obligation to receive, to collect the proof for the amount they have given to its employees towards LTC or conveyance allowance. So decision for this question or answer for this question, they have Supreme Court has held that collection of evidence is not necessary. Collection of evidence is not necessary. Employer need not be asked to collect the what you call evidence or proof from the employees for the amount its employees have received towards LTC or conveyance allowance. And what are the reasons they have given in support of this decision? First reason they have given, there is no what you call statutory obligation thrown upon the employer to collect the proof or evidence from its employees to show that whatever amount they have received towards LTC and or conveyance they have spent for LTC or conveyance purpose. There is no statutory obligation on the company. That is one reason they have given. And second reason is, suppose there is no provision also. There is no provision. First reason. This is what I am. This is what I am telling is the part of the first reason only. There is no statutory obligations on company. It means Income Tax Act 1961 or Income Tax Rules 1962 do not throw any obligation on the employer to collect the evidence or proof for the amount its employees have received from it towards LTC or conveyance allowance. That is one reason they have given. And second reason they say this if these two statutory provision is not there, and then even the board has not given what you call, board has not issued any circular to this effect. Board has not issued any circular to this effect, that to claim exemption under section 10(5) for LTC and what you call conveyance allowance payment income, conveyance allowance whatever they have given and employees have received for this head LTC and or conveyance allowance, for this they should bring the proof to the employer. Such type of circular is not there. If no statutory provision, that is no provision in Income Tax Act 1961, no provision in Income Tax Rule 1962, and even though there is no circular to the effect that employer should collect proof from the employees for the money its employees have received from it towards LTC or conveyance. So these are the reasons given, and this is here this video ends. Okay, thank you very much.